But one thing that I didn't really talk about was what exactly is wrong with this car. For a bit of context, this car does have 340,000 miles and I bought it off Facebook Marketplace for $700. There's probably a lot of things wrong with this car. I'd honestly be surprised if there wasn't. Basically, what we're gonna do today is use this tool. This is a diagnostic tool and we're going to use this today to kind of figure out what is wrong with the car so far and basically what we need to do to get this on the road. Moment of truth. That is what the dashboard is looking like right now. It says VSA and that's the mileage you guys can see there. That is basically what my dashboard is looking like right now. Maybe like a week ago or so, there was like a symbol which looked like it had to do with either the engine or the battery. So I don't know why it's gone now, but yeah, we're gonna figure that out today. We need it to go where that white part is right there. So we're just gonna put the other part in. Okay. Already turned on. Today we're going to be doing Honda. Is the car automatic, manual? So automatic. But now that we finally set up the diagnostic scanner, we have some options here. We're going to go ahead and just scan. This could take a while, so we're going to come back once it's all done and see. It's literally checking everything. Okay, so now that I've done the scan, I can see here that I have an issue with the programmed fuel injection. The automatic transmission seems to be fine, and we have an issue with the anti-lock braking system. And in the next coming episodes, I'm going to try and figure out how to clear all these codes, because I want to make sure that this car is suitable for driving, and also if it's worth actually investing in this car. You know, my plans are going to cost a lot of money and the car's already got high mileage, so that's one of the reasons why I got this thing, to make sure I'm actually putting money into something that's gonna last. Okay, so actually on second thoughts, I wasn't too sure about the initial results. I've got more faults. So now the issues are programmed fuel injection, anti-lock braking system, airbag system, and tire pressure monitoring. I guess what we can do is click on each one and basically see what it says. So I clicked on the top one and we get to this page now. So let's see about the information. Now we're getting a whole diagnosis right here. Okay, it says poor fuel quality can also cause DTC. Check the fuel pressure. Is the fuel pressure okay? But let me just quickly Google what this means. P0171 indicates the engine's bank is running lean, meaning there is too much air or too little fuel in the air-fuel mixture. Common causes include a vacuum leak, a dirty, faulty mass airflow sensor, or low fuel pressure. This thing has been very helpful. I know all the issues with this car, and yeah, we are gonna fix it one video at a time. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.